I am M.K. Veerasinghe, Director of the Palm Leaf Manuscript Study and Research Library of the University of Kelaniya. This was opened 2010 with the aim of conservation and preservation of our indigenous knowledge. We have done digitization project of the palm leaf manuscript in Sri Lanka in number of ancient temples in rural areas. We have already copied more than 6 lakh pages of palm leaf. We have already digitized. In addition to that, we have nearly 1,000 physical palm leaf collection in this center. Our major aim is giving access to researchers to continue their research activities based on indigenous knowledge. We have palm leaf in various subjects such as astrology, indigenous medicine, religion, magic, like this kind of field covered by this palm leaf. Therefore, are ready to give access, physical access, not online access, right? Sir, there are some legal condition in Sri Lanka. We are not giving online access to the palm leaf manuscript because it is a treasure of our heritage. Therefore, one of our duties is conservation and preservation of the palm leaf for future generation. Therefore, we are going various temples and some historical houses in Sri Lanka to collect palm leaves. Sometimes they donate us, sometimes they give permission to digitize their palm leaf manuscript. Our major aim is upgrade research in indigenous knowledge. Right?
Hari.
Okay.